So here we have a 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee ZJ Orvis edition, and I decided to let my friends do this part for me while I was out of town. Bad idea, because if anybody knows what a bad wheel bearing is in the back of one of these Jeeps, they know it can get pretty bad, and I never thought it'd be this bad, and they gave up on it. I don't know why, because it doesn't take very much. Your hub is not supposed to do this, especially that bad. That's in every direction, and it's attached to the caliper, which, by the way, has been eating itself away. All because they want to take it around the block to test it. Yeah, look at that. That is not cool. That whole hub near my caliper is just chewed up, and it's almost gone. And I can't imagine what's going to happen if I kept driving on it. But the inside of the caliper, I know you can't see that, but it's just as bad. So basically what they did, and yes, it took 3 people to try and fail. As you know, you got to be careful with these things, because they will keep going out on you, especially if you put rivers through it. You know, like the seals got to do their job, and when you got canals going under there, they're not doing their job. You're getting dirt and all kinds of crap in there, and it just deteriorates. Here's also a fine construction of what appears to cover up my brake lines, because they couldn't reattach it to my caliper, which also, if anybody knows what they're looking at, this is the top caliper bolt, the caliper pin. There's supposed to be a boot around it, and there's not. It doesn't even look like it fits this rotor at all, or this caliper, and that's kind of a problem. So basically, I'm going to make one more video, but I'm going to show you how to properly take out a bad old wheel bearing with a hopefully just a slide hammer. And if I did have to get to the Dremel, I'm going to show you how to properly do it with one person, and it's not going to take nearly as long. Alright, thank you for watching.